Aciari aya mokite kuingiria ciana ciao mwaka wa mbere University-ini ya Jomo Kenyatta. No ti akenu makirarama kumana na itua ria thukuru uyu ati mwana wothe no kinyagia agurirwo machine ya laptop iria irendio ni university ino.
We are now being told to buy the Taifa laptops. Well, if we knew our students were going to come here, we would have not gone and buy the laptops in the shops.
We don't want to buy their laptops because we have our own laptops. And we have squeezed ourselves.
Aciari aya marauga ni marakoretwo magurira ciana ciao laptops na riu ni mekuhinyiririka kugura ingi.
Will I take this one? And remember, if it is to sell this one, I'll sell it at a throwback price.
What the institution could have told us that, look, if you already have your laptops, what we want is what are the specifications of your laptop. If mine is not meeting that, then at least I can listen to what they are saying.
Mwena-ini wao munini wa Chancellor University ino augite ni meguthurima itua riu ringi na mone kana laptop icio iguritwo nja wa thukuru ni ikinyaniirie ikiro iria irendeka. Aciari acio ningi ni macakaite ati ciana ciao ni iragire kundu gwa gukoma thukuru-ini uyu na uguo marabatarikana kumakomborera nyumba cia nja wa thukuru uyu. Hadini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Monica Kagoni.
We are parents, not Taifa.